Chapter 4 Algebra Expression. And in previous class we discussed about square and normal form, and again we discussed about cube of binomial. First of all, what is the cubic form of a plus b? A plus b whole cubic is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, and just it's written in other form a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b and plus 3ab square, same as a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, and just it's written in other form a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b and minus plus 3ab square. Next third term, a cube plus b cube is equal to what? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Fourth terms, and then fourth formula, a cube minus b cube is equal to what? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Again fifth, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to what? A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. For example, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Proof that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3ab plus into a plus b. Proof: a plus b whole cube written as a plus b whole cube into a plus b, a plus b whole square into a plus b, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square into a plus b, and a is multiplied in whole terms a square plus b square plus 2ab, and again plus b is multiplied in whole terms a square plus 2ab plus b square, and hence a cube a into b a 2a square b plus b square a, again b into a square b into 2ab square plus b square and b cube, and again rearrange a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b obtained. Same as a minus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube, same as multiplied and obtained the formulation and formulation terms. Next example, given x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, then find x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to what? First solution, cubic the both side, x minus 1 by x to the power whole cube is equal to 3 to the power whole cube. X minus 1 by x to the whole cube, that means a minus b to the power whole cube. A minus b to the power whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. X cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3 into a, that means x, b into 1 by x, and a plus b, that means x minus a minus x, that means x minus 1 by x is equal to 3 to the power 3 is equal to 27, and x cancel, x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3, and put the value of x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, then put the value of x minus 1 by x is equal to 3 is equal to 27. 7. X cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 27. X cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to 27 plus 9 is equal to 36. Answer. This is simple. We find all this type of questions and will find the result. Next example, x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Then find x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to what? Again cubing the both sides. X plus 1 by x to the power 3 is equal to 4 to the power 3 whole cubic. And a plus b, this is in the form of a plus b to the power whole cube. A plus b to the power whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A cube, that means x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into a into 1 by x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x is equal to 4 to the power 3 is equal to 64. X cube plus 1 by x cube plus this cancel and 3 and put the value of x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x is equal to 4 is equal to 64. X cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 64 minus 4 3s are 12 and x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 52 and this is the result and hence that is the answer. And next example, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xy z. Solution: x plus y plus z is equal to 0 given and we change the side of z. X plus y is equal to minus z and again cubing the both side. X plus y to the power whole cube is equal to minus z to the power whole cube and a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to minus z to the power 3. X cube plus y cube plus 3xy and x plus y is equal to minus z and put the value of x plus y is equal to minus z is equal to minus z cube. X cube plus y cube minus 3xyz is equal to minus z cube and change the side. X cube, this is this side and this is this side. X cube plus y cube plus minus side changes plus and minus side changes plus and plus z cube is equal to 3xyz and hence the result. Again next example, given a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 8, then find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc by ab plus bc plus ca minus a square minus b square minus c is equal to what? Given a square plus b square plus c square minus 3abc, ab plus bc plus ca minus a square minus b square minus c square is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square minus b square, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus c by and this term common minus then common minus then minus convert into plus and plus convert into minus. A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus c and this term cancel and only minus and a plus b plus c minus a plus b plus c and put the value of a, b and c. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 8. Hence 8 for 12 and 3 15 and again minus 15 is answer. This is all cubic form. Rest, and on the basis of this example and this derivation, all of you find all types of problem. So all my dearest friends, I hope you solve and understand this example and solve all exercise. Thank you all of you.